Alright, welcome to this.
So I've got the Unicover Safari, I don't know what brand it is, topper on top here. Let's open her up. The inside here, I've got my, first thing I built was this drawer. It's got a nice Sasquatch decal wood burned in, bottle opener, wrench handle, full length drawer. Right now I just kind of have some tools, toe straps in there, gloves, jigsaw, jacket, water bottles, just kind of some random stuff, but eventually I'll have some camping gear in there. This whole thing is made of 3/4 inch plywood, and then it's carpeted on top. On top of that, right now I just have 2 camping mattresses. I'll probably try and get some like memory foam for the future, but for now that's what I've got. Blankets up there and stuff, sleeping bags in that bag, pillow. There's a little sink back there, like just a bowl for brushing my teeth and stuff. Rod racks on the ceiling. Bring fishing rods with. I also have a cooler in here. The classic brown Coleman cooler for keeping food and drinks cold. And then off the side here I have this little power inverter that runs off the car battery when it's running. If I want to run a lamp or a tool or something, it's nice, or charge batteries. This on the side is a little extra storage plus like a countertop type deal. This thing's removable and it can turn into a second bed, as I'll show in a little bit. Back here, when this thing's tipped up on its side, you move this cooler, there's a little extra storage door here, and in there's just extra space. Alright, I'll show you how to fold this guy out. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to switch this thing into a 2-person sleeper. Just move this stuff out of the way. This guy slides out. Then you spin it around. Back in like that. Grab that side. Easy as that. And then this cooler will usually slide back. Everything's getting a little spazzy. This cooler slides back into this corner. It's in right there. Holds everything in place. Hard to see. Sorry, I got a little wild there. So yeah, then we've got everything lined up like so. Got the double bed, cooler in the back, other bed like that, and the side windows pop up. Yep, that's all she wrote.